pulled it back a little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
So I'm just gonna have to run back over it.
Take your time, it's coming out good. That looks great. Nice job.
This is a little damaged. The part of that
That's
was
fine.
damaged in the package.
That's fine. It's going to be good.
Okay.
Perfect. A lot better. Progress here. My daughter today did the decals, as you can see. You saw her doing some of those. She added a couple more in here for me, and then the cooler just came in, the one I wanted to try. Actually fits fits really good. Surprisingly, I was just kind of guesstimating. It's just a inexpensive igloo, so I just installed some. You can see them there. They're just like tie-down mounts. You can get them at like Harbor Freight or something. You know, I put them on trailers. So I installed 2 of those and put a piece of foam back behind the cooler for this to push up against with the handle, and then just a nice rubber bungee holds it in place. And it's empty now, so it's a little hard to lift up, but all it needs to do is hold it in place so it's usable. Won't really move around too much, and I think it's going to work out nice. So you know, again, now we just got to wait for the seal on the crankshaft, and once that comes in, I think it's Saturday. Hoping to get that maybe put in this weekend, either Sunday or so.